Hi, Wakan, Juliet. Just a weekly update here for articles and assignments for ECE 428. So you have two things due this week. You're going to have to prepare and spend a little time on this presentation that is due on Sunday. So we have a regular article review that you have to do this week. This article is, I pulled it up right here. I find it very interesting as I've read it several times already, but looking at the how culture shapes instruction on reservations. And so if you take a look at this abstract here, it gives you a little bit of insight into what we're looking at here. So they're looking at early childhood classrooms, how it helps shape the curriculum. In early care and early childhood programs here on the Flathead Reservation. So it's a little bit lengthy. I mean, it's not like real long. It's 9 pages, but it's similar to this last article that you looked at or read in terms of what this is about, and then it goes through here the framework, how they looked at it, why they looked at it a certain way. It goes through the methodology a little bit in terms of how they did the study, why they did the study, what the research questions are, et cetera, et cetera. Then it goes through the results of the study, what they found out, and some different interesting components of that. So you can see it says 9 pages. There's probably 7 pages of reading approximately. So take a look at that, read through it, summarize it. Then also tell me your thoughts about this. Tell me what you think. If you agree with it, if you find things in there that are surprising to you or not surprising. I mean, it is a little bit older. I think it was '07. So it's a little bit older. There might be some more recent things or recent research done, but I find this interesting. So I want you to take a look at it and let me know what you think. Okay, so take some time to review and read through that. It's a good article. Okay. The next thing, or the other thing we have to do is your first presentation. Okay, so if you remember, we're talking about you can pick a topic of your choice. Okay, it doesn't have to be an issue or something that is pressing in early childhood. It just needs to be a topic in early childhood. Okay, and so you need to create a presentation on that. What do I mean by presentation? It's wide open in terms of how you want to get the information you are looking at, that you are researching, and get it to me. Okay, and so it can be a PowerPoint. You can type up a PowerPoint and you can do a voiceover on that in terms of where you talk about this information. You can do a screencast-o-matic, such as I'm doing right now, where you create this video based upon what you have on your screen, right? So if you create a PowerPoint, but you don't want to do a voiceover, or you don't know how to do a voiceover, I can help you with that if you would like me to. Or you can do this screencast-o-matic where it captures everything on your screen, okay, and then it shows you recording. It doesn't have to show the video camera. You can just do it as whatever's on your screen minus the video camera. So you have some options there, okay. If you want to do that, it's a free service. It's 15 minutes in length is the maximum amount you can record. I want you to do the presentation. It's got to be 10 minutes. Okay, so you got to have enough information to cover 10 minutes in that. Okay, so if you want to do a screencast-o-matic, all you have to do is go to this right here, screencast-o-matic.com. Okay, it's a free service. You can sign up. You can do it without signing up and saving it. But when you do these screencast-o-matics, these videos, it's super easy to then upload it to YouTube, and then you got yourself a video that you can share with anybody through. You just have to share that link to that. Okay, so the presentation due this Sunday. If you will look ahead at the next month, we have one other article that you have to do, and then you've got another presentation and a research paper. Okay, so these are the big assignments coming up. These are going to take some time. This presentation should take you a little while to do. You need to have some resources on the information that you're going to be sharing, okay? And you need to put those in your presentation. All right. Same will go with the second presentation and the research paper as well. Now this is a month away, but it's going to take some time to do that. And if you're working, if you are doing internship hours, your other classes. I want you to start balancing it out. Let me know what your research paper topic is. It doesn't have to be this week, but I want to get an idea, okay? And also your first presentation here, okay? And also your second presentation as we come up to it, okay? So you're going to have some time to work on these things in the next month or so, and then we're going to jump back in again a little bit to the articles, okay, after we get past midterm and spring break stuff, okay? Article 4, make sure you read through it. It's a good article. Tell me your opinion when you do these summaries as well, okay? Don't just write the summary of it, but also share with me your opinion a little bit. And then your presentation, your first one. Let me know if you need help with it, but you choose the way you want to share this presentation, okay? If you want to do it real or face-to-face through Zoom, you just have to let me know and I can set up a time where we can meet and send out a Zoom calendar or an invitation for that, okay? Please let me know if you need help with the presentation. More than happy to help you get through that technical side of it if that's something you need help with, okay? Otherwise, take care, keep working hard, and we'll talk to you soon.